Welcome to Adulting Without Supervision, where today, Josh got me a birthday present. And believe it or not, yes, I was actually wanting this. So let's dive right into the review of the, and I hope I'm saying this right, Sinopuren Thermal Laminator OL188. Okay, so to start things off, we're going to get it out of the box, which is simple enough. Just cut the 3 pieces of tape and you should be able to open it freely. Inside, you're going to find a punch that will round the corners of your sheets. Next, you'll find the sheets that are basically like folders that you'll be putting your paper in. Last but not least, the laminator. There's really not a whole lot to unpack here, honestly. And thankfully, there's nothing really to assemble. It's all pretty much done and ready to go right out of the box. So to turn it on, we're going to flip this around, and in the back right corner there is a 3-way switch. One side has 5, the other has 3 MIL, which I'm assuming is just millimeters. I went ahead and just flipped it on the 3 and gave it time to heat up. Usually it takes about 3 minutes so far. And when the light is green, you are preheated and ready to go. Now all I did here was center it the best that I could. Make sure you have enough space on top and on bottom for when it's time to round off the corners. So I've sped up here and there to try and get the video going along, but here I wanted to make sure you saw exactly how long it takes for it to go through and be done. So feel free to skip ahead if you don't care about this, but for those who are interested in, hey, how long is this actually going to take, should I buy this version, then go ahead and stick around if you like. And to be honest, I didn't think it took that long. Oh, and before I forget, yes, there is a button on the front that is supposed to be for if it gets jammed for some reason. You would just press it and it would separate to where you can actually pull it out. Once the sheet is out, if you don't have anything else to send through, go ahead and turn it off so it has a chance to cool down. And for some reason, I just really enjoy using the sliding sheet trimmer. And yes, I'm struggling to say sheet. Oh no, I said I find it there. So, geez. And there we go, all nice and pretty. I could have cut more off, but I kind of like the way that this looks. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe for us. If you guys think that it's too long, not long enough, you want more info on the item, please leave a comment so we can improve our videos.